I would now request Mr. Balbir Singh, who is the Chief Operating Officer at Intcon, to give his opening remarks in the context set up by Connor and Vinod.
I will take opportunity to talk something related to the higher educational challenge, but slightly away from this. Because I worked for 30 years in entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship development. I say that biggest challenge with the higher education or any education is that can we think and can we talk of something about self-employment or entrepreneurship? There was first panel, second panel, talks on quality, talks on placements, jobs. A few percentage, maybe 10% or 15% in higher education can be identified for self-employment. Let him give an opportunity that he should start or she should start her own business. If we go to the history of European countries, developed countries, ratio was 70% people went for their own business, entrepreneurship, and economy was developed and the whole society was developed. In any engineering college, I am yet to see that there is any lecture or any topic on developing or creating entrepreneurship. David McClelland worked in India with tribal people for 20 years in developing entrepreneurship, where he wanted to tell to the society that entrepreneurs are not only born, they can be created. A peon's son can be an entrepreneur. A laborer's son can be an entrepreneur. Give him an opportunity that he should think and dream for a bigger business, his own business, working for others, working for yourself. Ask the business people sitting here, what type of satisfaction? Because if students are motivated in the second and third year by the lecturers, that there is another option that you can opt for self-employment, you can opt for entrepreneurship. We can remove all these challenges in higher education. Because higher education, some people will go to research, some people will go to become assistant professor or professor. Rest 70%, where they will go? A higher educated people, yes, he can set up a self-employment venture, he can set up he can go in entrepreneurship. If you go to the history of entrepreneurship, go 200 years back, self-employment is always converted into entrepreneurship. So it's the biggest challenge for the highly educated people that he should be employed substantially a good employment. Because underemployment is more injurious than the unemployment. Sorry to say, I am working from last 30 years between industry and academicians. I am in a technical consultancy organization. I joined the profession of developing entrepreneurship way back in 1985. I have trained more than 15,000 entrepreneurs in Himachal, Haryana and Punjab, and I have made videos of more than 5,000 people who have started their own units. We all have to think seriously that potential of creation of job is very less. Any government or any leader will come. How he will create the jobs? If estimated figure of PTU is that they are creating 33,000 engineers a year out of 150 engineering colleges. Is there any 33,000 jobs for them? Please have a round in and around Chandigarh and Mohali. All MBAs, engineers employed in call centers getting 8,000, 7,050, 6,000 working at such a odd hours that they have having neuro problems. My humble request to all of you is that I am not an academician, I am from a technical consultancy, but I am developing entrepreneurship and doing entrepreneurship development from last around 3 decades. My open submission is that you can develop the people for self-employment. After 3 or 4 years, that self-employment will be converted into entrepreneurship. When I first time read the success stories of Munjals, I was surprised to see the senior most, the first Munjal, he had a dream that the tire I am repairing, one day I will make this tire. And now so you can see the hero groups where I don't know that writer has written wrong or right, but I read the success stories of Munjal, how they started. So we have to motivate and stimulate the students in the classes from second year and third year to dream big, to dream about their own ventures, to dream about their small business. Start from one machine. Don't tell them to have a land, building machinery. It will be a big issue. Parents will not allow that just pass out will have a land, building machinery, workers. No, 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 not at all. Just motivate them for the self-employment. Self-employment will be converted into entrepreneurship, and this challenge will be converted. Thank you so much.